Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. So you guys have heard a lot about vitamin C during this pandemic, especially vitamin C khao, nimbu, orange, amla. We've all started using this a lot. And what if I tell you I have one solution which will provide you with a high dose of vitamin C, a nice blend of amla and zinc. That is So this is Healthvit C-Vitan natural vitamin C. So this is the dose of your everyday vitamin C, and it also vitamin C it produces collagen, which is amazing for your skin. I know you've heard collagen is so good for your skin, so this will provide that as well. And it also acts like an antioxidant, which is amazing for your bones, for your joint health. And so this is made up of amla extract. Amla, I mean, it's so good for your skin, for your health, for your to also give you like energy, and it's amazing for your hair also. So amla, we use it, and like Indians have been using it for a really long time. In Ayurveda also, they keep telling us about amla. And so this is really good, good for your immunity, good for your health, good for your skin. What else do you guys even need? So how do you use it? I'm just going to use it and show it to you now. So it comes in a cute little box like this, or tube. So open this and just take one tablet. Okay, so you take a glass of water, just fill it, and then so we'll show you like bubbles. Mix it. So once it's dissolved, all you need to do is drink it. Cheers guys, it tastes amazing. And also when you need like energy when you're working out, take a glass bottle, put this tablet, and you can keep sipping it during your workout to give you energy. And as I told you, amazing for your skin, it's good for your immunity. But guys, this doesn't mean that you don't eat properly and you just take vitamin C. That's not going to help your health. You need to eat well, you need to work out, you need to exercise, yoga. I keep telling you, it's really important. Eat good food, eat ghar ka khana mostly, and just take care of yourself. And let me know if you have any more questions in the comment section below. And please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Official, and where you can get this, I'll put the link down below. And go ahead, make yourself this yummy drink and enjoy yourself and take care of yourself. Bye guys, see you later.